It's Adriana's supper.
Tiny little perch.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Bigger than the last guy.
Another one. Oh, nice. We can have supper tonight.
Yeah, right.
What do you think of that?
Hey. Hey.
Adriana, don't eat it.
Look at this guy.
What's that?
Look at his tail. Look at the tail wiggling. See ya. Oh yeah.
The better one.
What?
The better one.
Yeah.
What do you think, Adriana?
Big perch.
Dad has it in the backpack, I think.
All right, so I just threw a 2x6. They're going to be 2x8s up there because this runs 12 feet. But I just threw you to give you an idea of what I'm doing here. So it's going to land on this 8-foot wall and then run into these studs we put in there, right? This here, but it'll be 2x8s, not a 2x6. Then that'll run along there, and then once we get that floor, we'll plywood it in, and then we'll build a wall on top of this, and then the roof will run backwards to this wall. So the snow will be falling off that way because our door's over here. It'll all come together, but just to give you an idea of what we're doing here. And then where we're just going to here, it stops at 12 feet, so it'll be 12 by 12, right, loft. And then this here's a 4-foot section here where we'll build something to get up there. Ladder, some sort of stairs or something, right?
Yeah.
Play Russian roulette with it.
Yeah.
tell. There's a line from pencil. Just go over there. You can see it. And set the line right on it, the line itself. They're all in that bag you carried in. Yeah.
Hi.
Nice.
Yay. She's proud of herself. Look. Yay. Hi. Nope.
Are there monkeys?
I think so.
Those birds are there. You can sound like the jungle.
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. To me.
Look there, you see? Kind of goes like this. So you want it, you see that? It goes the other way now? You want this side up. You notice this window here, we're putting a little lower. That'll be like a little bathroom. We get a little lower because I wanted the sill to be lower, so like everybody can still see out of it all right in that corner. And it looks down to a path where we get a trail cam with a bunch of deer coming in, so that's why that window's down like that, not up standard height. It's only down 7 inches lower than normal or so, something like that. Just a little window, so I wanted it like that. Oh yeah. Tight fit. All right, so that's all the lower level walls. Next, we'll put our joists from this wall over to this wall, and then we'll build another wall on top of that floor, and then those rafters will run down to this half wall here. So that's the next step. Looks pretty cool.